today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your earphone and your earbuds. Now, to do this, you will need Q-tips. You'll also need some alcohol solution. First, I'm going to start with my earphone. So this is a Bose earphone. I'm going to remove this piece because it is removable. And I'm going to dip my Q-tip inside of the alcohol solution. Next, you want to rub inside, make circular motion to clean inside, just like this. You also want to clean the outside portion of your earphone as well. Now, I would recommend doing this cleaning at least once per month because, as you know, these things get really dirty over time. It collects dust, it collects earwax, and after all, it is going in our ear, so we want to make sure that it's clean. Okay, now this one isn't as bad because I do this every month. And you want to also clean the outside of it, okay, just like that. Also, just this for this piece, you want to just clean it like that, in and out motion, just as if you were cleaning your actual ear, just to get it nice and clean. Clean the outside, okay, and there we go. We're all done. Okay, now we're gonna do our earbuds. Now for this, we get another Q-tip. We dip it in our alcohol solution. Remember, don't make it too saturated. If it gets too saturated, just kind of squeeze it on your arm like this, so that way, you know, you get some of that liquid off of the Q-tip. Now, you want to go inside. You want to make, again, circular motions on the inside to clean the inside of your earbud. Now let's take a look. See that? That's all dirty and dusty and waxy, so we want to get rid of all of that. Now I'm going to dip the next end just to clean the outer portion of the earbud, just like so. Now, you do not want to stick anything inside here because you don't want to damage your earbud, so you just want to pass it over just like this. Okay, now let's do the other one. Okay, just like this. Oh, look at that. This is why we have to do these things at least once per month to make sure that they're nice and clean. Now, do the outside portion of it. Okay, and you also want to clean, I'll get another Q-tip, and you also want to clean the inside portion of your case, your earbud case. So we just use the Q-tip, you clean the outside of here, and just a little bit down here as well. Okay, and around, just like that. Now you want to do this, as I said, at least once per month. You could do it twice per month. It all depends on how you know that you've been maintaining your earbud or your earphone. So it's not necessarily you have to stick to once per month, but you can do it at least once or twice per month, okay? There we go. Nice and clean. All done. All right, so let me know, how often do you clean your earbuds or your earphone? And try this and see how it works. Leave your comment below and see you next time.